Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in Capcut with a project open. Create a text layer now so you can search fonts directly. Once the text box appears, tap it to reveal editing controls, then tap Font to open the font panel. This step gets you into the exact interface where searching happens, so don't skip it. Make sure your keyboard won't cover the search field. If it does, collapse it. Now you're ready to locate the search bar and type a font name or keyword to begin filtering options. Type a font name or descriptive keyword into the search field to narrow thousands of options quickly. Once results appear, use built-in filters like popular, new, handwritten, or bold to refine choices by style or recency. Tap any font in the list to preview it on your selected text. This shows spacing and weight in context. If you want similar styles, scroll to the end of results for recommendations. Take a moment to compare 2 or 3 previews, so your final pick. After previewing, tap Apply to set the font, then immediately adjust size, letter spacing, line height, and color so the text fits your shot. Once satisfied, save the style as a template or favorite it for future projects. This speeds up consistency. If a font doesn't appear, make sure your Capcut app is updated and sign in. One fix is clearing the app cache or restarting the device, then reopen the font panel. If problems persist, re-import the text or contact support through the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.